Did you get bored with the default Unity scene? Today I'm going to show you the other layouts. Hat will make you feel most comfortable and efficient while working, all based on your specific workflow. Head over to the Layout drop-down button located in the upper right corner of the Unity screen. For example, let's select 2x3 from the list. 2x3. This is a fantastic option if you like seeing the scene and game view side by side, which is perfect for real-time testing and iteration. Next, check out the 4-split layout. This is ideal for those times when you need to view your scene from multiple camera angles, and simultaneously for fine-tuning complex environments. Let's fast look at the tall layout. If you are a coder and need plenty of vertical space for your scripts in the console, this one is your best friend. It's also incredibly useful if you're focusing on animation, giving you a long, clear view of your timeline and keyframes at the bottom. Next, we have wide. If you are mostly doing level design, placing objects in the scene view, and need a broad perspective, wide will give you that immersive canvas. Keep in mind that you can move these windows around to suit your own taste at any time. Now I will show you how to create your own truly custom workspace from scratch. Head back up to the Layout drop-down menu. This time we're selecting Save Layout. Give your masterpiece a name, something like My Coding Setup or Level Design Flow. Now hit Save. Congratulations! You have just created your signature workspace. The best part? Every time you open this project, your custom layout will automatically load as your default template. Finally, let's look at one last essential trick. What if you create a custom layout and then decide you don't need it anymore? Layout drop-down menu, and this time we are going to select Delete Layout. Alright, so we've covered the basics, from switching to tall and wide to creating, saving, and even deleting your own custom layouts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.